Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching EncycloHub. In this video, we are discussing about the assignments, project help and any other related help to this academic. So if you want any other help related to the academic, so you can contact us anytime. First of all, note my number and save this number for future purpose. Number is 900 936 8238. You can contact us anytime, so we will provide help you accordingly. If you want any help, you can just contact us, message me and tell me about your queries. Whatever you have problem, you can contact us in admission, in assignments, in projects, and whatever you have a course. So you can contact us anytime, we will provide help you. If you are going other university and if you have any doubts, so you can contact us. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on WhatsApp.